Hey everyone, I'm Corrin with Corrin Fox Fit. Today I'll be leading you through a 10-minute ab and arm workout. This workout will help increase your core stability and your arm strength. This is perfect for if you're just getting into fitness, if you're more of a beginner. Also, it's great if you just want to do this workout to add more movement into your day and feel good. All you'll need for today's workout is a couple weights. I'm using my 5 pounds today. And this workout will do 5 exercises. Each exercise will do for 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off for 2 full circuits for a total of 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and get started. We are going to begin on our backs. This is our first exercise here. We want to make sure we're pressing that low back into the mat or floor. We're going to use 2 weights here. We're going to start by bicycling forward. So one leg extends out and the other knee comes in. And while we're doing that, one leg extends out, one knee in, we're going to press up, and then we're going to switch and draw it down. So we're doing some bicycles with a chest press, using 2 weights, whatever feels best for you. All right, get ready, get set, and go. Press that low back into the mat. We're hovering one leg out, the other knee in, and as we're moving, we're pressing up. Breathe. Really good job, you guys. Good. We're working that low belly, working the arms, the chest. Really nice, you guys. Breathe. Keep pressing that low back into the mat or floor. We're almost there. You guys are amazing. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Relax. 15-second rest here. Next exercise, we're going to come on up. We're going to spread the feet as wide as the mat or just wider than hip distance apart. We're using 1 weight. We're going to hold the weight with both hands in front of us. We're going to pulse back till you feel a strain in the low belly. Come up. Extend the arms up, tricep dip, up and down. Get ready, get set, and go. So we're pulsing back 1, coming up, extending the arms up, elbows bend. Good. And when you go into that tricep dip, make sure the elbows stay in towards the head, towards the ears. Really, as you go back, lean back as far as you can. You want to feel the strain in the low belly. Yes, good. Nice, lean back, pull up forward, sit up nice and tall as you go into that tricep dip. Awesome work, you guys. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Really nice, you guys. Hope you're already feeling it a little bit in the core and arms. So next up, we have Russian twist. So you'll use 1 weight for this. We're going to, if you've done a Russian twist before, maybe in one of my other videos, we're going to draw the weight down to one hip and then to the other. All right, so that's one option. Option 2, same thing, but take the feet off the ground if you want to up it a little bit more. All right, get ready, get set, and go. Really find that full twist in the torso. Keep the head facing forward and really make sure the knees don't wobble back and forth. We want our knees to face straight ahead. Maybe you take the feet off the mat or floor. Add a little bit more fire. Good, you guys. Working our obliques here, really nice. Keep feeling that twist back and forth. Good. We're not sitting up all the way straight here. We are leaning back slightly, so we feel that strain in the low belly. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, and rest. Really nice job, you guys. Next, we're gonna come up to all fours. Find a tabletop position. We're gonna start with the weight in our right hand, shoulders stacked over wrists. What we're gonna do with that weight in our right hand, we're gonna cross it, kind of tap it over to the opposite side, reach it across, draw it back, row up, and then turn, press that weight up towards the ceiling, bring it down. So we're tapping across, bringing it back, rowing up, and extending up. Really nice. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, and go. Tap across, row up, press through that left palm and press up through that right hand. Good. Really nice job, you guys. Really reach across to the opposite side of the mat with the weight in the beginning. We're working our obliques, side abs. Really nice. Tops of the feet press down into the mat or floor. Breathe, you guys. Woo, you got this. I'm proud of you for being here. Keep it up. 3. We've got 2 and 1. You can sit on back, take a little break here, 15 seconds. Now we're going to go into the same thing on the other side. So this time starting with the weight in that left hand, bringing it, tapping it across to the other side, row up, and then press on up. Here we go. Get ready, get set, and go. Tap it across, row up, press the mat away, reach that left palm up and down. So we're getting a nice little workout in the obliques, in the arm as a nice little shoulder press there. Really good job, you guys. Do the best you can. I'm just so happy you're here, that you took out this time for yourself. Good. When we move our bodies, we feel better mentally and physically. Good. Almost there, you guys. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. So good, you guys. That was our first full circuit. We have one more full circuit to go. We're going to do all those again. So come on down to your back on the mat or floor. We have both weights for this. Press that low back into the mat. Get ready, get set, and go. So we're pressing up. Our hands are pressing up towards the ceiling and coming down while our legs are in that bicycle motion. One knee in, one leg out. Really nice job, you guys. When we move our bodies, we feel better mentally and physically. So sure, if you have fitness goals, that's amazing. But also we want to think about how movement affects our mood, right? When we move our bodies, we feel better. We're increasing those dopamine levels, chemicals in the brain, the happy chemicals. You got this, guys. Keep going. Woo. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. 15 seconds here. Good. Next, we're going into those pulses. So feet nice and wide. Remember, really lean back. Pull yourself up. Reach up towards the sky and the ceiling, going into that tricep dip. Get ready, get set, and go. Dip and up. Nice. Really lean on back. Feel that strain in the lower belly, the abs. Really good job, you guys. I'm proud of you. Sometimes the hardest part is just being here, getting to your mat, showing up for yourself, right? That's sometimes the hardest part. I know it is for me when I do a workout. Sometimes the hardest part is just pressing play, which you guys have done. So give yourself a pat on the back later. Good, we're almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Feel it. I feel it. Do you? All right, you guys. Next, we have those Russian twists. Now, I don't want you to go too fast here. Kind of a medium speed to really feel it in the low belly, okay? So one weight all the way down, the other weight down, side to side. Get ready, get set, and go. And again, we're not sitting up completely straight. We are leaning back slightly to really feel it a little bit more in our low belly. And as we twist, we're working our obliques, our pockets of the abs, side abs. Good job, you guys. Breathe. You got this. You are strong. Even if you don't feel that way, you are. You got this. You can do hard things. Almost there. Keep going. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Amazing work, you guys. We're going into our last 2 exercises. So find your tabletop. We're using one weight here. Remember, we're just starting with that right hand, weight in that right hand, pressing down through that left palm. Get ready, get set, and go. Reach across with the weight. Tap, row up, and press on up. Weight to the ceiling. Good. If you have any questions, you can always look at me here. And as you row up, keep that weight towards the side body. So really keep that arm glued in towards the side body. Nice work, you guys. You're doing amazing. You got this. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. All right, sit on back, relax. Last 15 seconds. Woo. You can do it, you can do it. We're in the home stretch. Again, thank you for being here. I'm so proud of you. One last exercise to go. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Here we go. Ready. Come into that tabletop set and go. Tap across or reach across. Roll up. Press away up towards the ceiling and down. Reach and row. Press up. Really nice. Really good job, you guys. Working our obliques. Working our shoulders, shoulder muscles, our back muscles here. You're almost there, you guys. Keep it up. Don't give up. You got this. Woo. Really good job. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Amazing work, you guys. You should be so proud of yourself. Thank you so much for being here and for showing up for yourself and doing this workout. I'm giving you a round of applause. And remember, give yourself a pat on the back. That was our 10-minute ab and arm workout. We did 2 full circuits. If you want to, again, go for a 3rd circuit if you want. No pressure. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Please let me know what you thought of it. If you want to see more workouts like this, let me know. Otherwise, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.